I've had hiccups all day and it's driving me mad. Honestly, all it is just all the time. It's just like today, I don't know, I'm feeling really annoyed at things very, very quickly, and I think it's a cross between these hiccups and I don't know, just everything has just been irritating me. I don't know why. I'm normally an incredibly patient person when it comes to people, when it comes to, you know, general things like shopping and walking the dogs, for example. You know, I take them out and take for a really nice long walk around the woods where it's peaceful and calm. But today, just other things that they probably normally do, I don't notice so much. They've been just being disobedient and it's just been really, really annoying. Gary, my other half, has just been irritating me in the slightest ways. The general public, I didn't realise just how much I dislike the general public until today. There are so many things I can go on about the general public. Like, you always, when you're in a hurry and you're walking down the high street, you always end up being behind the slowest person, and they walk so slowly, and then or you be behind somebody else and they'll just stop suddenly, so you walk straight into the back of them and then they blame you for not looking where you're going. Don't stop then! Get out the way! Ugh! And then people just like, they take all the coins out and count them really, really slowly. Just tip the purse out, give all the change to them, or better still, just give them a note. I could rant, but these hiccups are actually making me feel a bit sick. I've literally had them all day. It's 9:20 in the evening, and I've been hiccuping since 10 o'clock this morning, so my whole body aches.